How to save content from Twitter. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. So to save content from Twitter, you can save Twitter content by using the in-app built-in feature, the bookmark feature for the post, downloading medias like videos and GIF using a third-party website or extension as well. Now here, what you need is open up your Twitter application, login. Now you want to locate the post that you actually want to save. So let's see, this is the content that I want to save. So as you could see at the bottom right corner of your screen, underneath the post, you could see this bookmark icon. You need to tap that out and you could see post added to your bookmark. And if you want to access the bookmark section, you click on the profile initials, then you have these bookmark section, and here you'll be able to see all the saved content. And similarly, if you want to download a video or if you want to save the video or a content, you could actually do is open this up and then you could find the three dot icon and then you could click on the save button. So this way you'll be able to save content. That's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.